Happy New Year! Is it New Year? I hope so. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rohan and this is the Fit Food Review. As the new year starts, we are all on our brand new fitness journey. New Year's resolutions have started. The gyms are full. Actually, the gyms aren't full here. We're on a complete lockdown. But when you watch this in a year's time, you'll think, of course the gyms were full. What's a lockdown? I'm on my fitness and weight loss journey and I'm on the hunt for food and drinks that not only are good for you, but also taste delicious. With my unique scoring system, I'm able to tell you what's good and what's not. And that way you can save yourself money, time, and heartache. If I think it tastes lovely, delicious, magnificent, it gets a yes, honey! But if it tastes disgusting, smells a bit weird, it gets a no sir. It's that simple. Today we have this. This is from Nature Valley. It's gluten-free and it also has 10 grams of protein in each and every bar. No artificial flavorings, no preservatives. On the back we have a man that's running in his shorts and a vest, so you know this is meant to be good for you. But I'm going to tell you right now, I'm pretty certain this is packed full of sugar. But what does it taste like? And how do you open it? Open says me. One, this is what each bar looks like. I and many others are fans of salted nuts. Oh, it smells sweet. You can see whole nuts. You can see the caramel. And I can't wait to taste this. First bite. It's crunchy, yet chewy. It's nutty. It's caramelly. And it's also salty. It's everything it says in the pack. Oh. It is lovely, delicious, it's tasty, but I will say it's also quite sweet. I think I'm gonna have to put my shorts on, put on that vest and run for 4 miles to burn off these calories because this bar contains that amount of calories. Oh. The Fit Food Review score is yes, honey! Sweet and salty, crunchy and chewy, tasty and lovely. Ooh, I feel a bit tingly. If you like this video and you enjoy what I do and say, please click the like button, write me a comment. What do you think of these protein products I've been reviewing? Do you believe the protein? Do you think it's just a gimmick? Let me know, write it down. And also, don't forget, I'm trying to get to 200 subscribers before the end of the summer. So click on that subscribe button and you're gonna help me get to that place quickly. That's it. See you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.